Hello and welcome to the next Building Endeavour Christmas edition. Hi once again, and thanks for watching these videos. If you do enjoy this series, please remember you can like and subscribe to help me out and follow along with me on this fantastic build. So in this week's video though, we're going to concern ourselves with the boat, the ship's boat that went about mid-deck here. We're going to take a break from doing any work on the masts and the yards. I'll get back to those though next video. Yeah, and let's have some fun by making this boat. It has to be glued with white glue. I'm going to number the parts, press them out from these sheets here, and hopefully make a good job of it. So let's get on with it. I'm going to begin now by numbering all these pieces. It's just a good idea to find out which one is which, and so you know where it's going to go according to the plan. So I'll do that now. Okay, so next, now I've put all these on the false keel, they have to be kept in a straight position. So there's this jig here that's going to be used. I'm going to glue these on here. This is going to be sawn off later, but when I come to planking the wood, it'll keep it all nice and straight and true. So let's just do that now. Okay. Now, none of these ribs have been glued yet. They've just been pushed into place, as you may have seen on the video, on the time lapse. Okay. That's it, I think. So what I'm going to do now, just make sure these are all lined up, pressed home onto the top of this straightening jig, and then I'm just going to apply some super glue or CA glue onto all these joints, and that should make it nice and solid. Right, so next I have to sand and file these frames from the stern to the bow, bow to stern, so I'll get a really nice evenly shaped profile. Bit like we did when we, if you remember, way back on the hull. Same kind of thing, just in miniature. So let's get to that now. Alright, I think I'm ready to put the first plank on. It has to be bent over the frames. There is a mark here that we have to follow, because when we cut off this top part here, there will be a nice sort of curved shape to this top edge. These have to be soaked in water first though, to allow me to bend them into the required shape. So I'm going to put those into soak now. Okay, so there's the boat in its current state. Obviously we've got this nice curve going on here. When we cut this off, I will then file down the top of this to get that nice and even on both sides. Now I've already soaked these planks. They need to be fitted kind of first. I'm going to twist them, and then all these planks from here to here will be stained, leaving this one unstained. So although they're wet at the moment and bending nicely, I just think I should fit them all first and then leave them to be stained later. So I'll do that now. Okay, I'm fairly happy with the boat so far. It's time to cut it free from this jig. Okay, so let's do that next. Okay, an update on where we are with the ship's boat. So, yeah, I've stained the belly of the boat. I'm going to paint this brown. The stain hasn't taken very well here, so I'm going to do that a brown colour. I've put the flooring in as well. What else? Oh yeah, these strips on the edge as well have been placed on. So now I have to stain some more parts. These have to be, that has to be stained. That goes at the stern, and the tiller has to be stained. And these are going to be used to go across here, this 5x2, to make these things called thwarts. And they have to have a pillar as well on each thwart, which is come earlier in the kit. So I need to stain those first, and then I'll fix all those into place. long last, we're nearly there now with the ship's boat. So you may have seen me putting the Rolox on here. It's just pins that we put in, drill first and then snip them off. And I was using a piece of 2 by 5, but using the 2mm depth just to get those to the exact same length. So now I just need to varnish it, get a really good, shiny coat on that, and then that will be it then for this week's video. So let's get on with varnishing it and seeing what the overall effect is going to be. So here it is, the ship's boat finally complete. Yeah, this has been great fun. Hopefully you've enjoyed me watching me make this. It's had a final coating. I've done 3 coats of varnish on the hull and just 1 coat on the inside. Yeah, the Rolox were made with a pin, brass pin you probably saw, cut down with the clippers. And I'm very happy with the way it looks. So if you enjoy these videos, please do leave a like and subscribe if you like to. It's free after all. And I'll see you on the next video, which will be in the new year. There won't be a video on the 29th. I'm going to go for the 5th of January is my next video, where we will be attaching the yards to the foremast and fixing the foremast firmly into place, and also perhaps getting on to doing the same thing with the main mast as well. So until then, thanks for watching and bye for now.